What is this?
This is a man.
What is this?
It is a knife.
What is this?
It is bread.
Man.
Knife.
Bread.
What is the man doing?
The man is cutting the bread. He is cutting the bread.
What is this?
It is a kitchen.
Where is the man?
He is in the kitchen.
Who is he?
He is Ahmet.
What is his name?
His name is Ahmet.
Where does he live?
He lives in Kayseri in Turkey.
What does he do?
He is a farmer.
What is his job?
He is a farmer.
What is this?
This is a woman.
Who is she?
She is Cemile.
What is her name?
Her name is Cemile. She is Ahmet's wife.
Are they married?
Yes, they are.
When did they get married?
They got married in 1999.
Have they got children?
Yes, they have 5 children. They have got 3 sons and 2 daughters.
What is Cemile doing?
Cemile is cleaning the kitchen. She is cleaning the kitchen.
What is Ahmet doing?
Ahmet is driving a tractor. He is driving a tractor.
Is Ahmet driving a car?
No, he isn't.
This is not a car. It is a tractor.
Who is this?
This is Ali. He is Ahmet's son.
How old is he?
He is 16 years old.
Where is Ali going to?
Ali is going to school. He is going to school.
Why is Ali going to school?
Ali is going to school because he's a student.
What is this?
This is hair.
Whose hair is this?
This is Aisha's hair.
Who is Aisha?
Aisha is Ahmet's daughter.
How old is she?
She is 14 years old.
What is this?
This is a comb.
What is Aisha doing?
She is combing her hair.
What is this?
This is a camera.
What is Ali doing?
He is taking a photograph.
Whose photograph is he taking?
He is taking his family's photograph.